Hi and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about system information commands. System information commands in Linux allow users to gather details about the hardware, software, and configuration of the system. These commands provide insights into the system's performance, resource utilization, and other critical information. Here are some common system information commands in Linux. 1. Date, show the current date and time. 2. Cal, show this month's calendar. 3. Uptime, show current uptime. 4. Display who is online. 5. Who am I, who you are logged in. 6. Uname a, show kernel information. 7. cat/proc/cpinfo, CPU information. 8. df, show the disk usage. 9. du, show directory space usage. 10. Free, show memory and swap usage.